My name's Nicholas. I'll be testing out using my paper double barrel shotgun. Right, it turns into a machine gun. Boom! Boom! Yeah! This gun, you tape and stuff, and shoots rubber bands. See? It's like a little piece of paper, like it's 3 poos. So watch this. You can put in your Ghostbuster, and you can pull it out. I am on army mission. Boom! 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 Bam! I'm looking for a scope. Do my scope. Now, in this side. Bam! Just that. No, I just shot 100. That's what you mean by this. This.